Well, here we are on Wednesday, May 6th, and it is bucket list lottery early bird draw time. Woo! This is our first early bird draw, and we would like to thank everyone for purchasing. The pot right now is
it's about
$30,000,
yes.
Which means you could have a chance to win $15,000 right now. However, the early bird that we're drawing right now is $1,000. Our next early bird draw is May 27th, and the grand prize is being drawn on July 1st. So please, we appreciate you purchasing your tickets and supporting all we do here at Matthews House Hospice. So, Brenda, would you like to draw the winning ticket, please? Drum roll.
Yes, here it goes again, and then go down to the November May 6th. We have the ticket number.
The ticket number
Please,
is,
loudly.
The ticket number is 2908753, and the name is Lone Swafield.
Woohoo! Yay!
This is yours, Lone. Awesome.
Thank you, everyone. We appreciate your support and look forward to giving away huge amounts of money in the next couple of weeks. Thanks so much.
Yay.
Woo-hoo.